Hi everyone, my name is Kuhn. I'm a Checkmk developer and consultant. In the following videos, I want to show you the concepts of Checkmk. First, we dive into a concept of what is a host and what is a service and what's the difference between them. So let's break it down step by step. A host is a device or system. It refers to an entity you want to monitor. This can include physical servers, virtual machines, network devices, such as router and switches, or even cloud resources. Each host then can have various services that it provides metrics and status information. So a service is basically a specific object attached to a host that monitors certain metrics and functions, while the host represents the overreaching object and the service refers to a specific component or application within that host. A service should not be confused with like a Windows service. Instead, typical services in Checkmk are basically like CPU usage, memory utilization, network status, disk capacity, basically file system monitoring, and also the monitoring of all kind of applications such as databases, web servers, and more. So the question is where the Checkmk services come from. They are automatically detected with a function called discovery, but let's start at the beginning. Normally you would install the Checkmk agent to a host. The Checkmk agent is available for Windows, Linux, and basically for every other major operating system, and it's always a lightweight piece of software. Of course, it's also possible to access information via SNMP or via APIs. The most convenient way, which I would recommend for Linux and Windows, or basically for operating system monitoring, is to install the agent, since the agent is a really lightweight piece of software. Of course, you can also use like classical plugins you may already know from Nagios. They are called active checks in Checkmk, but in terms of configuration, automatic detection, and performance, I would always recommend using the agent. For the services which are automatically detected, you can of course then also specify thresholds for warning and critical states, and let's say even more options, which I'm going to show you in the next videos. To break it down, a host is basically the overreaching objects for services, and the services then refers to specific components or application within that host. I hope you enjoyed that first short video, and I also hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.